Kitty, Pete the Kitties, and the case of the hiccups. Hiccups, oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccups, hiccups, how do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccups. Pete did has the hiccups. Pete asked Kelly, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Kelly. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. He stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccups, hiccups. He said he has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccup? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. He stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. He still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccup? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccups, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccup? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That is, Pete asks. That is, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart.